So this was in the greenhouse, sitting on the ground, and it has formed some roots, and I don't know, this will produce the canes. I don't know what they're calling their baby stage, but we're gonna find a space to plant this out. Hi, welcome back to the channel, Blessings from the Garden. My name is Soroya.
My name is Jojo.
And we're happy to have you here with us to plant out this cane. So come along with us. This one was in the ground for a while, a good while, but I'm thinking that there wasn't any eye on it, so it didn't push out any of these shoots. So I'm going to replace it with this one. Alright, so this one was harvested from our own sugarcane. We just threw this piece down in the greenhouse just in case we have a space to put it. And over time, it formed the roots. It had no contact with any soil because in the greenhouse we have stones on the ground. Formed the roots and these things that will produce the canes. Alright, and here is another eye. So these are the eyes, yes, eyes. And these shoots are coming out of the eyes. So this is another eye, and can see this baby shoot coming out. So the original cane that we bought didn't have any eye on it. So if you're planting sugarcane, make sure these things are on, and that will produce the different pieces of cane. So the shoots will be coming out from the eye. Alright, so I'm going to plant it flat like this. So each eye will be upright. So this will be coming out. This is out already. This one is out. And this one is also out. So I'm going to plant it flat like this with the roots going down in the dirt. Okay? Alright, sugarcane is considered to be a type of grass. And I'm not sure if it's a heavy feeder, but it's considered to be a type of grass. We have some weeds in the mix. Let me pull out the weeds. One at a time. Wait. Two. Give me a minute. Oh. Oh. Just wanted to keep the eyes above the dirt. I'm going to get more soil to cover this part. I'm going to repurpose these two containers. I'm going to throw the soil out. Alright, the other eye down there is covered, but I think it will shoot up. Alright, so we have 3 eyes that are exposed. These are butternut squash plants. What I'm going to do is to get rid of some of the leaves so that the pollinators will have easy access to the fruit when this flower opens. Let me search to see if there are any more fruits on. And while doing that, I'm just going to remove the bad leaves. Alright, not seen any more yet, but we'll do this process daily. Alright, I'm going to water in the cane, so let me go for my watering jug. Alright guys, I'm going to water the cane with some...
Can I help? Can I help?
Yeah, sure. I'm going to water the cane with some miracle juice. This is moringa tea.
I want to
pour it in. Pour some in.
I mean, hold.
Alright, stop. Put some water in the container.
I can do that. I brought. There's bubbles. Green bubbles. A little bit more here, but not here.
Alright guys, so just watering the cane. Let the soil get settled around it. And the roots getting some nutrition. Or miracle grow. The moringa tea. Alright, so guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your subscriptions and your comments and your shares and your likes. And if you're watching and you have not subscribed, please do so. That's one way to support us. And we will see you in the next one. Do remember to start that garden one container at a time. See you pretty soon. Bye-bye.